Hello beginners, new yogi, new yogini, or anyone that might need this practice. Today we are going to be talking about a warm-up. A warm-up before we embark in our flows, before we start doing our asanas, our poses. In yoga it's very important just to warm up the joints, to warm up the body before you move into a more advanced pose or into a more advanced stretch. Let's start by taking a deep inhale in to the top of the lungs. Send your fingertips to your mat. Remember, contain that energy within you. Exhale here. Let's relax those shoulders. Send them away from your ears. On your next inhalation, bring your arms all the way up to the sky, fingertips facing up to the ceiling. On the exhalation, send those arms down to the mat. And remember, Hatha Yoga is basically linking your breath to your movement. So inhale, bring the arms all the way up. Exhale, hands down. You're just relaxing your shoulders. Inhale again. And let's get ready for this beautiful practice. Bring your right hand down to the mat. Extend towards your right. See if you can bend that right elbow. Open your chest. Relax your shoulders. Look up to your hand. Beautiful. Exhale. Let's move up to center. Both hands face each other. Exhale here. Send your left hand down to the mat and let's bend towards the left. Open the shoulders. Open the chest. Look up to your hand. Breathe. Do not hold the breath. Exhale. Let's come back up to center and send those hands down to the mat. Connect with your breath here. Remember, listen to your body. Just do as much as you can, but breathe through the entire process. Inhale, arms all the way up. And this time we're going to do a little twist with the upper body. On the exhalation, we're going to send the left hand behind us. Right hand goes to your left knee. Inhale, grow. Exhale, twist towards the left. Relax the shoulders. Inhale in a beautiful flow. Send those arms up. Exhale, let's twist towards the right. Left hand on your right knee. Right hand behind you. Inhale, grow. Exhale, look at your blind spot like when you're driving. Take a couple of organic breaths here. Breathe, do not hold the breath. Inhale, let's come up to center and remember that breath is called prana. Prana is your life force, it's what keeps you alive. Exhale, send those hands down to the mat. On the next inhalation, we are going to bring our arms one last time all the way up. Extend, lengthen through the spine, and this time we're going to hinge from the hips. And we are going to bow to Mother Earth. Send your hands, maybe they land here. Maybe your hands will land a little bit further. From here, relax your upper body with the exhalation. Release. Say hello to your Creator. Say hello to Mother Earth. Exhale. On the inhale, you're going to move an inch up, and on the exhale, you're going to see how further you can go. Exhale here. Relax your upper body. You're just warming your hips. You're opening your upper body. Exhale. On the next inhalation, start slowly, nice and easy. Walking your fingertips towards you. Breathe. And your body is already warm and ready to move on to the rest of your flow. Stay connected for more.